In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit site title and tagline in GoDaddy Website Builder. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. After you are signed in, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section. From there, select the website that you want to update. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. Once the builder loads, look at the top area of your website preview. This is usually where your header appears. The header is the section that contains your website name and, in many cases, your tagline or subtitle. Click directly on the header section to begin editing it. After that, select the site title text. You can then type in the new title that you want to use for your website. Make sure the title matches your brand, business name, or the main purpose of your site. If your layout includes a tagline or subtitle field, click on that field as well. Then enter the new tagline you want to display. A tagline should usually be short and clear. It should support your title and give visitors a quick idea of what your website is about. Once you have updated both fields, take a moment to review the changes in the header area. Check the spelling, capitalization, and overall appearance. This helps make sure your website looks polished and professional. After reviewing the text, click Preview to see how the updated site title and tagline will appear on your website. This is a useful step because it lets you confirm that everything looks right before you make the changes live. Look at the spacing, alignment, and readability in the preview. If everything looks good, click Publish. This will apply the updated site title and tagline to your live website so visitors can see the changes right away. If you ever want to make additional edits later, you can return to the same section and update the header again. This is a quick and simple way to keep your website branding current inside GoDaddy Website Builder. Updating your site title and tagline can help make your website more clear, more professional, and easier for visitors to understand at a glance. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.